her head was held down. Her broken heart, she far from being proud. Love was the game she played, now she with doubts. Cause it's love she can't be with or without. Even if it's pain she feeling, she wanna count on somebody's comfort, even if they on a bad route. Need to listen to the sounds coming out of my mouth. Baby's all you gorgeous, let me sneak up in your house.
Junior's World.
A couple of hours that pillow talk. Sweet sunset, the sand soothe us as we walk. Old school tunes to remember, green board and chalk. Writing love letters, save it in my long socks. I was that bad boy, throwing paper balls. Now I'm the nice guy, answering your phone calls. I say hello, you reply, had me bouncing off walls. Short fellow, but filled with you oh so tall. Body with goosebumps, belly with butterflies. Body that you got, does a shake, come with them fries. Eyes I memorized, for that got me mesmerized. Little twinkle within, them little things I analyze. For I live this thought, only in my song. Don't even know your name, but here's where you belong. Carpool, baby, I want you to be my passenger. Shy as I message her, cause internet is my messenger.